One of BodiTech Med's advanced compact immunoanalyzers, the i-Chroma 2 is a fluorescence scanning instrument used in conjunction with various i-Chroma immunoassay tests for measuring the concentration of designated analytes in human blood, serum, plasma, and other specimens. i-Chroma 2 can test over 33 different parameters, which comes with two-level BodiTech controls. Now let's go through the specifications of this analyzer. The i-Chroma 2 is equipped with an advanced optics technology. Its cutting-edge features make it a reliable and user-friendly diagnostic instrument. i-Chroma 2 can be used for screening, monitoring, and routine physical examination in laboratories, hospitals, and physician clinics. The reader comes with 3 different test modes, used depending on user preference, volume of tests, and sample type. In this video demo, we will be testing the level of PCT in human sample in multitest mode. Turn on the main power switch located at the rear end of the reader. Wait for the reader to self-check and initialize. You should see the main screen after. Insert the ID chip into the ID chip port. Prepare the cartridge for testing. Transfer 150 microliter of the sample using a pipette into the detection buffer tube. Close lid of the detection buffer tube and mix it by inversion for 10 times. Meanwhile, set the timer of i-Chroma 2 according to the reaction time of PCT, which is 12 minutes. Pipette out 75 microliter of the sample mixture and dispense it into the cartridge sample well. Ensure to start the timer immediately. While waiting for the reaction time, let's input the patient information into the analyzer. Insert and scan the sample-loaded test cartridge immediately when the test alarm goes off. The start button is as shown on screen. Test results will be shown on screen as well as the printer output. Send us an email if you have questions about our system.
Standard Procedure 1. Be aware that each test has the same procedure, however, incubation time, sample volume, and diluent volume might differ. Take a look on the next screen to see the differences. Transfer the diluent into the detection buffer tube with granule. Avoid touching granules with pipette tip while transferring the diluent into the detection buffer well, especially when pipetting twice. Transfer the sample into the detection buffer tube with granule. Mix by pipetting 20 times. Dispense the sample mixture onto the cartridge. Verify that the mixture flows well onto the cartridge membrane. Start the timer immediately. After incubation time, run the test into i-Chroma 2. The result will be displayed on i-Chroma 2 LCD screen after you run the test.
i-Chroma Standard Procedure 2 video. This procedure is applicable to all the shown items. Each test has a similar procedure but may differ in sample volume and reaction time. Some tests require the usage of iChamber. These details are included in the insert. Please double check it before proceeding with the test. Insert the ID chip. Prepare a cartridge. Transfer the sample into the detection buffer tube. Mix well by shaking 10 times. Dispense the sample mixture onto the cartridge. Insert the cartridge and press start. After the reaction time, i-Chroma 2 will scan the cartridge and display the test result.